Namaste, hello, 안녕하세요, 여러분. So, a few days ago, we got our K-influencer June optional mission, and the topic was making a video on Pansori. Pansori is Korean musical storytelling, and you know that I am a huge fan of Korean culture and want to know more and more things related to Korean culture. So, I thought of not to miss such a wonderful topic. So in this video I am going to explain about Pansori, a little bit history of Pansori, and I have prepared a special thing for you too. So don't forget to watch the video till the end. Let's go. So basically, what is Pansori? Pansori is a Korean genre of musical storytelling performed by a singer and a drummer. The term Pansori is derived from the Korean word pan and sori, which means sound. Proclaimed by UNESCO as masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity, the Pansori tradition is one of Korea's proudest form of entertainment. This form of musical storytelling dates back to the 17th century when it was used for shamanism. So let us know more about the history of Pansori. Pansori first arose in the Joseon dynasty in the 17th century. It wasn't until the 19th century that the musical storytelling reached its peak. For 200 years, Pansori was mainly used by shamans to pass on the rituals and spells from generation to generation. By the 19th century, it was especially popular among the nobles and royal from entertainment at court. However, it didn't take long until Pansori was also performed by ordinary population. Pansori was performed by ordinary people too. This was due to Shin Jae-hyo, who took upper-class melodies and lyrics and tweaked them to suit the tastes of the wider population. Shin Jae-hyo then trained a group of women in the art of Pansori and went on to make it to Korea's national music. The 20th century has seen a huge changes in the history of Pansori. The Japanese invention and westernization of the Korean peninsula led to a decrease in the performances. Modern sound reproduction technologies had changed the habits of the population, who now prefer the modern music. Originally, there were 12 sets of Pansori stories in the Joseon dynasty, known as Madang or garden stories. Today, only 5 of the original 12 are being performed. On top of that, the versions of the stories have greatly changed over the centuries, and only parts of the individual works are performed. A traditional Pansori performance consists of 5 elements: Jo, which means melody; Jangdan, rhythm; Buchimse, combination of story with music; Che, Pansori school, and vocal production. Moreover, the two performers wear traditional Korean hanbok. While Jo is similar to the key, it also includes the emotions and facial expressions of the Pansori singer. Well, thanks to the many efforts by the Korean government, Pansori is still considered to be the main traditional music type in Korea. Due to the open stage concept of this form of traditional storytelling, the audience is encouraged to clap and dance along. Today, you can enjoy traditional Pansori performance at Namsangol Hanok village and Jongdong Theatre in Seoul. As I had explained that I have a huge interest for Korean culture, I have prepared a drawing on Pansori. I have drawn a drummer and the storyteller. So I hope you liked my drawing. Let's see it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Annyeong.